Are you a stay-at-home mom who literally feels like you're trapped in the same four walls every single day? Because 6 months ago, I literally was not working. My husband and I were sharing a truck, which we still do share the truck. And I was so fed up with being stuck in the house. Like, yes, we went outside to our backyard, but like we could not leave anywhere, me and my daughter. And I was so tired of it. It was driving me insane. And so I had to find a way to make money online to where I could buy me a car because I don't want to be stuck in the house no more. And so I started digital marketing 6 months ago. And I've now made $15,000 working off my phone. And what's crazy is I have an extreme goal of hitting 20K next month, which is only helping 22 people. So I can definitely do it, which means I will literally be pretty much 1 month away income wise to buy my dream car in cash. So I'm telling you, if you're a stay-at-home mom who is literally sick and tired of being stuck in the freaking house, I get it. And I want to help you make money online to where you can buy yourself a car and you can go make memories and get out of the house and not feel so trapped in your house and so confined in the same four walls every single day. So if you want to learn how to make money online like me, comment mom down below because I'm going to help you.